Good morning, Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. The topic we are going to discuss today is 1.3.2, that is representative particles of elements and compounds. Fine. The relative question according to this topic is define and explain molecule. Fine. First of all, what is molecule? It is a group of atoms held by a chemical bond and behaves as independent unit. And the classification of molecule has been classified into two types. First one is monoatomic molecule and the other is called as polyatomic molecule. The monoatomic molecule, a molecule that contains only one atom, is called monoatomic molecule. Like, as you can see the examples: helium, neon, argon, krypton, hydrogen, oxygen. Fine. If we talk about only one atom, then it will be called as monoatomic. Polyatomic molecules that contain two or more similar or dissimilar atoms. Fine. That contain two or more similar or different atoms, they are called as polyatomic molecules. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, HCl, NH3. As you can see, in hydrogen molecule, two hydrogen atoms are being combined. Oxygen, two oxygen atoms. HCl, two types of different atoms have been combined. Fine. Now what you have to do, you have to attempt the self-assessment exercise 1.7 yourself, and it is quite easy. Then comes the next topic, that is topic number 1.4, Avogadro's number and mole. Avogadro's number and mole. Before starting this topic, I have some questions I want to ask you all. If you go to the grocery mart and you buy eggs, what do you say to the shopkeeper? Any answer that comes in your mind? Obviously it would be, please give me dozen of eggs. If you go to a vegetable shop, you will say, please give me dozen of oranges. Fine. If you go to a shoe shop, you will say, I want to buy a pair of shoes. Fine. These are the correct quantities and the correct units to apply and use for these terms. In chemistry, when we want to count atoms, molecules and ions, we use the term mole. What do we use? We use the term mole to calculate the amount of a substance. So what is mole? Mole is an amount of a substance. Mole is an amount of a substance. The next term we are going to discuss is Avogadro's number. Actually, Avogadro was a scientist who actually find out or examined this all chemically, and he derived this term Avogadro's number. For that reason it is named as Avogadro's number. Okay, fine. A mole is an amount of substance that contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles of that substance. Is that clear? Mole is the amount of substance and it contains how many number of particles? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. It means the number of particles or the value is fixed or constant, and that is Avogadro's number value is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. This experimentally determined number is also known as Avogadro's number. It is represented by capital N and subscript में हम इसे लिखते हैं small a. For example, a mole of carbon. If I talk about a mole of hydrogen contains how many number of particles, or Avogadro's number, you will say a mole of carbon contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atom. A mole of sulfur contains how many? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atom. A mole of water contains how many molecules? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. Thank you.